Every great brand, personal or business, starts with identity. Not a logo, not a color palette, but something deeper, its DNA. Your brand DNA is the invisible code that shapes everything you say, create, and stand for. It's made up of three core elements: purpose, promise, and personality. Let's start with purpose. Your purpose is your why. It's the heartbeat of your brand. It answers one simple question: why do you do what you do beyond making money? Maybe your purpose is to empower others to believe in themselves. Maybe it's to simplify a confusing topic. Maybe it's to help people unlock their creativity or confidence. Your purpose gives meaning to your work and clarity to your audience, because people don't just follow what you sell, they follow what you stand for. When your audience connects with your purpose, they see more than your content. They see your mission. That's what builds loyalty, not algorithms or ad spend. Now let's talk about your promise. Your promise is the outcome your audience can expect from you every single time. It's the consistent value you deliver, the transformation you help people experience. Ask yourself, what will people consistently gain from my brand? For example, Nike's promise isn't just sportswear, it's empowerment. Just do it. Apple's promise isn't technology, it's creativity and simplicity. Your promise doesn't have to be grand, but it must be true. Maybe your promise is to make people feel inspired, informed, or understood. Maybe it's to help them take action instead of overthinking. Your promise is your commitment, and your audience will come to rely on it. That's how you build trust. Finally, let's explore personality. This is where your brand becomes human. Your personality is how your brand sounds, looks, and feels. It's your tone, your energy, your vibe. Are you bold and motivational, calm and wise, playful and creative? Or maybe a mix of all three, depending on your message. Your personality shapes how people experience your brand. It's the difference between being seen as just another creator or becoming unforgettable. When you combine purpose, promise, and personality, you create a brand that feels alive. Let's see how they work together. Your purpose gives meaning, your promise builds trust, your personality creates connection. Together, they form the emotional DNA of your brand, the core that never changes, even as your content, offers, and platforms evolve. Think of your brand like a person. Your purpose is your soul, your promise is your handshake. Your personality is your voice. When all three are aligned, your message becomes magnetic. You attract people who believe what you believe, not just those who happen to see your content. And here's the key. You don't invent your brand DNA, you discover it. It's already inside you. It's in your story, your values, your perspective, and the way you naturally help others. So take some time to reflect. Ask yourself, what impact do I truly want to make? What do people always thank me for? How do I want my audience to feel when they experience my work? The answers to those questions will reveal your unique brand DNA. And once you find it, everything else becomes easier. Your content feels more consistent. Your messaging feels more natural. And your audience feels more connected to you because they see authenticity in everything you do. Your brand DNA isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. It's the foundation for growth, trust, and long-term impact. Because when your purpose inspires, your promise delivers, and your personality connects, your brand becomes more than a business. It becomes a movement.